Would you enter a high-voltage area without permission? One wrong move around electricity can change a life forever. That's why electrical authorization is one of the most important safety requirements in the workplace.
Electrical authorization, or habilitation, is an official recognition that a worker has the knowledge, training, and skills required to work safely on or near electrical installations.
Electricity is invisible, but its dangers are real. Electrical authorization helps prevent electric shock, arc flash injuries, burns, explosions, and fatal accidents. It protects people, equipment, and entire facilities.
Different tasks require different authorization levels. H0V for non-electrical work near electrical installations. B0 for non-electrical operations. BS for basic electrical interventions. B for specific operations and testing. BR for maintenance and troubleshooting. B1V and B2V for electrical work performed under defined responsibilities. Each level matches specific risks and responsibilities.
To obtain electrical authorization, workers must receive appropriate training, be medically fit for the job, understand electrical risks, and demonstrate competence for their assigned tasks.
Remember, electrical authorization is not just a certificate. It is a life-saving barrier between workers and electrical hazards. Safety begins with competence. Follow the Safe Planet for more practical safety tips that can save lives.